When I visit Pienza in Tuscany, I feel as though I've stepped into an entirely different world, full of history and culture. This small town, located in the heart of Val d'Orcia, is a true gem of Italian heritage, with its extraordinary Renaissance architecture and rich history. My journey begins the moment I cross the city gates. Pienza, originally known as Corsignano, was transformed in the 15th century by Pope Pius II, who was born here. It was a time when, inspired by the ideals of the Renaissance, Pius II commissioned the eminent architect Bernardo Rossellino, working under the direction of Leon Battista Alberti, to create an ideal Renaissance city. Walking through Pienza, I can't help but feel that every nook and cranny of the city is a testament to this vision. The main point in Pienza is Piazza Pio II, surrounded by the most significant buildings, such as the Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta, which captivates with its Renaissance facade and frescoes. Nearby is the Piccolomini Palace, a majestic residence with beautiful views of the surroundings. Further on, I come across the Episcopal Palace and the Town Hall, which complete the architectural harmony of the city. It is here in Pienza, amidst these historic buildings, that scenes from the movie Gladiator were filmed. Walking down the same streets that once formed the backdrop for this epic production, I feel as if time has stopped, and I have been transported to another era. One cannot forget the cuisine of Pienza, with its famous Pecorino di Pienza. It is here, among the local festivals and markets, that you can taste the true flavors of Tuscany. Finally, the surroundings of Pienza Val d'Orcia, listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are equally breathtaking. The harmonious balance between nature and human activity is visible at every step. By visiting Pienza, I discover not only its history and culture but also become part of something much bigger, a heritage and beauty that have endured through the ages. This experience will undoubtedly stay with me forever.
Sole? No, perché ho appena pagato